Do you still think that Safari is protecting your privacy even if you turned on every privacy setting on your iPhone? If so, I need to tell you that there is one setting that leaves your privacy completely exposed and that websites can identify who you are even if you are using VPN. So let me show you setting Apple hid that you need to turn off right now, because without it any website can create a fingerprint of your device in just seconds. So how can we do this? We need to open settings, then scroll down till the end, click on apps option. Here you need to find Safari application, click on it, scroll down again and find this advanced setting. Here you need to click on advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection. So here you will see two options or three, but we won't count off because we need this enabled. So private browsing and all browsing. Basically this protects you only when you are private browsing through your browser, but when you turn on all browsing, this will change everything. So what's fingerprinting? Basically, that's when websites collect information about your device without asking for permissions, like screen size, installed phones, device specifications, operating system, etc. This data combined creates digital fingerprint of your device. So even if you change your IP or turn on your VPN, it will still collect data. So when you change this setting to all browsing, Safari starts changing data websites can see, making your fingerprint confusing and unstable. And this will greatly reduce websites' ability to track you. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.